Hi all, Uncle Leroy here with a story for you today. Man boards a flight for a business trip, sits down next to this absolutely gorgeous woman. They exchange brief hellos, be polite, and he notices she's reading a book about sexual statistics. Well, he sits there and then he says, are you a psychologist? What's your interest in sexual statistics? And she said, well, it's just a book that I find interesting. And she says, oh, by the way, did you know the statistics show that black men have the largest penis and Polish men have the thickest penis? Because I find these statistics to be very interesting. Oh, by the way, my name is Jill. What's yours? Man replies, Jamal Kowalski. Glad to meet you.